Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that could literally save your life. We're talking about arterial health and a simple daily drink that science shows can help keep your arteries clear and healthy. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we share evidence-based health tips that you can actually use. Now, before we get started, I want to make something crystal clear. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine, especially if you have existing heart conditions or are taking medications. Alright, let's talk about your arteries. These incredible blood vessels are literally your lifelines. They carry oxygen-rich blood from your heart to every single cell in your body. But here's the problem that millions of people face. Over time, these arteries can become clogged with plaque, a sticky substance made up of cholesterol, fat, calcium, and other materials found in your blood. This process is called atherosclerosis, and it's silent but deadly. When your arteries get clogged, blood flow becomes restricted. Think of it like a garden hose that's been kinked or has build-up inside. The water can't flow properly. Same thing happens with your blood. And when your heart, brain, or other organs don't get enough blood, serious problems occur. We're talking heart attacks, strokes, peripheral artery disease, and more. The scary part? Most people don't even know they have clogged arteries until something serious happens. That's why prevention is absolutely crucial. Now you might be wondering what causes arterial plaque in the first place. Well, it's a combination of factors. High cholesterol levels, particularly LDL or bad cholesterol, plays a major role. High blood pressure damages arterial walls, making them more susceptible to plaque buildup. Smoking is absolutely terrible for your arteries. It damages the lining of your blood vessels and accelerates atherosclerosis. Diabetes and insulin resistance contribute significantly. A sedentary lifestyle, chronic inflammation, poor diet, especially one high in processed foods and trans fats, and even chronic stress all play a part. But here's the good news, and this is what today's video is all about. Research shows that certain beverages, when consumed regularly, can actually help improve arterial health, reduce plaque buildup, and even reverse some of the damage. So what's this magical drink I keep mentioning? It's green tea. Yes, simple, affordable, and backed by an impressive amount of scientific research. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Green tea? That's it? Trust me, when you understand the science behind this ancient beverage, you'll see why it's so powerful. Green tea has been consumed for thousands of years in Asian cultures, and those populations have historically had lower rates of heart disease. Scientists have been studying green tea intensively for decades, and what they've discovered is remarkable. Green tea is absolutely loaded with compounds called catechins, particularly one called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. This is the superstar compound that does most of the heavy lifting when it comes to protecting your arteries. EGCG is an incredibly powerful antioxidant, much more potent than vitamin C or vitamin E. Let me break down exactly how green tea helps unclog and protect your arteries. First, it reduces LDL oxidation. Remember how I mentioned LDL cholesterol earlier? Well, LDL itself isn't necessarily the problem. The real issue is when LDL becomes oxidized. Oxidized LDL is what sticks to your arterial walls and forms plaque. The catechins in green tea prevent this oxidation process, essentially stopping plaque formation before it starts. Multiple studies have shown that people who drink green tea regularly have significantly lower levels of oxidized LDL. Second, green tea improves endothelial function. Your endothelium is the thin layer of cells that line your blood vessels. It's absolutely critical for vascular health. A healthy endothelium keeps your blood vessels flexible and helps regulate blood pressure, The compounds in green tea help improve endothelial function, keeping your arteries more elastic and responsive.